Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook to classic view. What you need to do? You need to go to Facebook and then log in, and then you click in this icon in the corner. As you can see, account, click here, and then you go down to switch to classic Facebook, click here. This is what you need to do. And if I want to switch again to the old version, just I click here. As you can see here, you can switch to the new Facebook at any time. Just you do the same procedure. I hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, just leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.